Okay, it's Sunday the 31st of July, so let's have a look at the Ftse. And the first thing to go over with the market is we are coming into August. Now, August can be a month of very low volatility. There can be several days that's, for me, not worth trading at all. The market doesn't really do anything. It just sort of edges sideways in a very, very tight range. For the Ftse, that can be like 20 points to 30 points is the overall range of the day. Days like that, I just walk away. I just close the computer down. I usually watch the first sort of half an hour to an hour. If volatility is very low, then I just leave it. With it being August, traders take holidays as well. It tends to be in the August month during the school holidays. And that will be the reason for the market dropping off. We've actually already seen it a couple of days last week. We had trading days where nothing happened at all. I explained to subscribers that that is likely the reason. Coming into August now, it can happen. Last August was absolutely fine. I traded the entire month as normal, but usually the volatility does drop way off. So looking at this market now, we're still edging up. We're edging up very slowly, and we're edging up in a way where the market is not going anywhere at all. We're not making any new ground. Let's have a quick look at the 4 hours. From last week, in all honesty, not a lot has changed at all. All I'm looking at is the fact that the market keeps trying to push up over and over again, and it just keeps failing. As long as it keeps doing this, I'm happy to continue to sell the strength. You're just looking at the areas where it's been failing over and over again. And looking to sell into it. Now, even if the market starts to break up for me, let's just make this a little bit smaller. Even if this market starts to break up, we have so much resistance, and I'm talking very strong resistance. It's not minor resistance up here. There's lots of levels of major resistance. So even if the market starts to break up, I am more than happy to continue looking at these strong levels for selling opportunities. With this market breaking up so strongly, way back when we were down here, sort of the 1st of July, what I went over was after the strong run up, we were looking for some sort of a retracement. We got the retracement right here. Let's just put the fib on it. It was very small. The 23.6%, absolute minimum pullback after such a strong rally. However, after that, the market hasn't really gone anywhere. So looking at this now, still my favored move for this market. So what I'm looking for more than a bullish break, purely because it makes sense, purely because we've rallied up so strongly without any sort of profit taking to speak of, I'm looking for a pullback. The pullback, really, the most sensible area for it to come into is, let's just mark it with the rectangle. Coming back down into these levels, into this level, which would be round about a 38.2% retracement. Overall, that's what I'm looking for to happen. However, when we're getting price action like this, it's giving no real clear indication of what it wants to do or what it intends to do. So as long as this is happening, as long as we're getting these very indecisive days, I'm just trading it as I've been trading it for the last couple of weeks. Basically taking the major levels, the main areas where the market has been reversing, and trading off of those over and over again. Every day it's almost exactly the same levels. and that is what I am looking at. Key thing to take away though, guys, is coming into August, if we do see the volatility drop right off, if you start getting these very tight days, my advice is just don't trade. Just walk away from the computer. I've already said to subscribers, it can be a good idea just to take August as a holiday, take it as a break from your trading, and come back into September. What you don't want to do is force your trading in this month, and it is kind of through your own fault, but it's also to do with the market. You don't want to start suffering lots of losses, lots of frustration, and destroy your confidence, harm your trading account, because it can be very difficult to come back from those sort of things. That's my advice. And moving into next week, I am just looking at the same things pretty much as last week's video. Nothing has really changed significantly. We've basically just been producing doji candles. Doji candles simply for me mean indecision. The rally is coming, it's getting more and more difficult. It's really, really struggling to get up now. So basically, I'm just waiting to see if the market makes a break. Now, this break, what I should also mention is on, I believe it's Thursday, we have UK rate decision. With the rate decision coming in, a lot of traders are expecting a cut to rates, and they were expecting it last month and they didn't get it. They are expecting it again this month. So I am expecting a fairly volatile reaction to the rate decision. Advice for that, as always, again, is just step aside. You don't want to be trading the news. You don't want to be caught on the wrong side of a news release. A lot of people look at it, they see a massive move and they think, if I could catch that, think how much money I would make. What you really should be thinking about as a trader is, if I'm on the wrong side of that, how much money am I going to lose? You suffer a slippage, your stop becomes useless, and it can cause a very nasty loss. Okay guys, so I hope you all have a good trading week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.